Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Shawonya the artist. And if you're new here, hello. And if you're not new here, welcome back. And today's video is a review on Babalabags. It's a phenomenal website. Babalabags sent me a beautiful purse. You guys, you have to check out this site. Babalabags is an online retail industry that sells replica luxury handbags, belts, shoes, all types of accessories that are luxury brands. Babalabags sent me a beautiful, beautiful bag, and I want to show you guys this bag.
You got potential. You got potential. You got potential. You got potential. Out of you, write it out for me. Tell me, baby, will you slide for me? Keep the Glock party, holding it down for me. I know you're good in the hood, but a couple just for me, yeah. When I'm running low, will you still come up for me? Your bands to make me feel lovely. When I go, will you still think of me? I need to know for sure, 'cause you got potential. You got potential. You got potential. You got potential. Caught my interest, talking that so intriguing. We could go far, go the distance. I could see it. I'm not trying to be out my hopes up. If you're over me, then let me know what's up. Don't change up on me in the long run. Keep it open, 100. 'Cause you got potential. You got potential. You got potential. You got potential. You got
If you guys like this bag that I'm showing and decide to purchase something, I do have a discount code, SW4138. This is my first luxury brand bag. Even though it's an imitation, that's okay. I still feel luxurious. Okay, let me show you the bag. Oh my gosh, you guys. The suede on this bag is super soft. It just feels so great. It feels luxurious. Like, it is luxurious. The detailing of the gold on the bag, the zippers, the logo. This bag is called the Prada Darling Suede Handbag. I carry the bag just like this. Every time I'm running somewhere. Bags are very great quality. They come in a beautiful box. They look just like the authentic designer handbags that you would buy from an authentic luxury brand. High quality, great service, fast delivery. A win for me in my books. Like, hands down, this would probably be my only site that I'd be purchasing my luxury handbags from.
Like a glance from the past, you can see the dark in the frame, you're the poster.
But oh my gosh, you guys, I can't stress enough how much I'm in love with this bag, how much I'm in love with the Babalabag website. I had the most difficultest time choosing or finding a bag that I wanted for 2025 for spring, because there were 1,000 things to choose from, and the prices were amazing. The prices were amazing. And then receiving the bag, blew my mind away. The quality of the bag that I received, you ain't gotta look no further. Look no further. Try out this website, try out a bag, and tell me that I let you down. Let me know if I let you down, because I don't believe I am. Okay? These bags, great quality. The customer service, great. The shipping, expediently great. Love it. I will see you guys in another video. Bye. Stay tuned for my What's in My Bag video. What's in my Prada bag? Love you guys. Bye. Let's go to babalabags.co. Bye.